When I tell you this concrete was dirty, man, that junk was dirty. Look, you can see how it's coming up, man. I slip and fell on this concrete, man. Whoop. Slip and fell, man, because it was so dirty. It had that green algae on it. And when it gets wet, man, it's over with. So if your concrete is black or green, man, that is a sign to get it pressure washed by the greatest pressure washer in the world that you'll ever see or meet, Alex with CK1. Get that boy out there, get it done, man. I'm telling you, we'll get it right. Look how it's coming up, man.